One of the most common questions that comes up with beginner book folders is how do I calculate the first page? So that's what we're going to do today. So you're going to go ahead and take a look at your book and go to the last page. So the last page of my book is page 192. And go ahead and write that down. Then you're going to subtract the number of pages in your pattern. So I'm going to do the beginner heart pattern that can be found in my book, Bookfolding for Beginners and Beyond. It's available on Amazon, pretty much anywhere where you get your online books. So when you look at a pattern, it'll usually have the name, the number of pages, and the required height, and the method. So for my book, I need 173 pages. So I'm going to subtract 173 from the total book pages. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And that leaves me with 19 pages. You're going to divide that in half. So that's about, I would say, so we're just going to estimate, and we're going to start on page 9. And the reason we do that is otherwise your pattern will be all to one side or all to the other side. So it makes it right in the middle. So by starting on page 9 of this book, which would be right here, because we always have to start on an odd page, we would start the pattern right here. So for our first measurement of our pattern, it's going to be 5, 7, and 7, 3. So then we're going to go ahead and start measuring 5, 7, and 7, 3. That'd be our first measurement, and then we would continue. Let me show you another example. So let's say that we're doing the same pattern again, and this time we have a much larger book. So this book has, going to the last page number, 397. You have to also be careful. Sometimes there's some unnumbered pages in the beginning. So this book, even though it's page 1, has all of these pages ahead of it. So you want to account for that as well. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pages ahead. But 9 is actually going to be 18. Because when you go ahead and look at a page, one leaf of paper is actually 2 page numbers. So this is page 1, and then the back is page 2. So we're going to have to add our extra additional 18 pages to our last page number if we want this perfectly centered. So we're going to add 18 to 397. Let me just put the bigger number on top to make things a little bit easier. And if you have a calculator, obviously this would be the time for that. So we actually have a total of 415 pages. Now, if we're using that same beginner heart pattern from my book, remember we need 173 pages. So we're going to subtract the 173 that's required for the pattern. So that leaves us with an extra 242 pages. Now, because we want the pattern centered, we're going to go ahead and divide that into half. So we're going to start on page 121. So go ahead to the page 121. Again, it's always going to be an odd number. And you can see that the biggest chunk of the book is all the way to the right, because this is where we're going to be doing the pattern. This represents half of the extra book pages that you're going to have. So so when you find this spot, don't expect it to be in the middle of the book, because you need room for the actual pattern. And then you go ahead and start doing your measurements.